You can also create a station offset elevation report from your corridor. So in the corridors tab, over to the right under reports, you've got station offset elevation. Select your road. You can pick your starting ending stations and what type of information you want: stored cross sections, surface cross sections, as well as points and lines. And you can even select some line work in your project. You can see here that it's going to include horizontal alignment points, compute points at centerline, include vertical points, include line points, and then you can select what surface you want. So if you want the main road finished design or finished design with subgrade adjusted, you could select something like that, as well as your station interval. There's also the report options up above where you can choose how you want this to be reported, whether to float, undock it, or show on reports menu. So you can set those settings. And then you're basically just going to click OK, and it's going to go out and it's going to create an Excel report. So you can see here it's an Excel sheet, and it has all the information. You can see the code, the stationing, and the elevation, as well as the the depth information here. So again, just another report option for your station offset and elevation value. So here's the center line. You can see here at the bottom it's got your super elevation information as well.